Athens, the capital of Greece, is a city that offers a unique combination of history, culture, and natural beauty. Athens, known for its rich historical significance. Using a drone to shoot Athens from the air allows travelers to see the city in a completely new way. The bird's-eye view of the city of Athens allows you to see the city's famous landmarks, such as the Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the Temple of Zeus the Olympic. The landscape of Athens is characterized by a combination of ancient ruins and modern architecture. Travelers can explore the historic district of Plaka with its narrow streets and charming shops, or stroll through the lively Monastika Square. The city's skyline is dominated by the majestic Likavit Mountain, offering breathtaking views of Athens. Tourism in Athens has thrived for many years, thanks to its fascinating attractions and warm hospitality. Travelers from all over the world come to discover the ancient ruins of this city. For those looking for more information about the city, excursions are available to immerse themselves in the history and culture of Athens. These tours provide valuable information about ancient Greek civilization and demonstrate hidden values that are difficult to detect on their own. When planning a visit to Athens, it is useful to refer to a detailed guide, which describes the attractions that must be visited, recommendations for local cuisine, and practical advice for travelers. Whether you are going on vacation to Athens or simply traveling through Greece, this dynamic city promises to leave an indelible imprint on your memories. Combining antiquity and modern charm, Athens continues to attract tourists from around the world.